Hey everybody, it's Brother Ernest, your Boston 1 Hour hoodie and tees and live event printing. You have to remember something, and when you're in the printing industry like I am, is that time is your most valuable asset. And I don't want to spend all my time repairing printers like my friend Paul does over here. Nobody wants to do that, except for Paul. It takes a long time to get printers done, and you know the computer programs that are needed are quite complex. So whenever you get your printers from Live Event Printing, you can send your printers back to us via freight, and our service technician can repair them. That's the only way we're going to go through this, right? I'm not going to have another service technician in the United States deal with the issue. You bring your printer back to us, and then we'll get it repaired through freight. All right, so we'll let you go, everybody, so long, and I'll come back live. Thanks, Paul.
Hey, welcome. My pleasure.
So all the printers that you see here in this room are refurbished and in perfect working condition and are for sale, waiting for you to take them home. Give us a call.